Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2017 Chevrolet Camaro RS. It comes equipped with a 2-liter turbo engine paired to an 8-speed automatic transmission. Other items included such as heated bucket seats, as well as cruise control, Joyride tires, and so much more. So come check it out. So you get the black and gray interior with paneling and storage on the bottom. You got your trunk release next to your power locks, mirrors, and windows. And here you're going to have these cloth bucket seats, super nice. Left side you'll have the vents, and onto the steering wheel you'll have cruise control on the left. You got the 50th anniversary on the bottom, as well as a odometer clutch control and voice recognition on the right with 2 paddle shifters right behind. And with the odometer you can access all of your vehicle information, including your trip info, as well as your gauges here. You can also access navigation if you choose to sign up, and other settings as well. It's going to be push to start. Onto the infotainment, pretty straightforward. You got your Bluetooth connectivity, and as well as Sirius XM radio.
OnStar ready.
You can choose to sign up for OnStar.
Go back. Thank you. Goodbye.
And here you got the vents, of course, functional. You got the hazards with the center console, the drive mode selector that changes through here. Your snow and ice, sport, and touring mode. And center console. You got 2 USB ports with some extra storage, 12-volt DC port. Passenger side, same finish. Get the chrome accents across. And then here you can also access OnStar and SOS, as well as your power sliding sunroof. You're gonna have these 20-inch wheels on Joy Road Sport RX6 tires with the paint match mirror caps, keyless entry door handles. Got the low lip spoiler in the back with the dual exhaust, as well as pretty decent storage for the coupe, with extra storage down below with the fuse there. All right, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet. We checked out this 2017 Chevrolet Camaro RS, equipped with the 2-liter turbo engine, as well as bucket seats, cruise control, drive mode selector, power sliding sunroof, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see you at Wolfe Chevrolet very soon.